Well, we just had a wonderful time. The environment, the culture, the small towns and cities, the wineries. Of course, we were with a real congenial group of people that made it really nice to travel with. But it's friendly. It feels safe. The roads are wonderful. The food is amazing, and the wines are just off the charts great, both in variety and very inexpensive. And I would sure recommend anybody wanting to look for guidance to go with Dan and let him show you around, because he's knowledgeable. He goes out of his way to make everybody feel comfortable. He's flexible.
I paid him a lot to say this.
Well, it's the truth. Everybody was just raving about your services because you were flexible. You didn't have your own agenda, and if somebody wanted to change or stop or go, or you were very happy to do that. So we had a great time, and I would highly recommend his services.
Good. Well, this is what gives me joy to have happy, cultured customers like these guys, because to give these guys a great experience, because time is, for me, Ron, time is like the ultimate luxury.
Well, it is.
Because especially we in America, we're oftentimes, our customers are oftentimes people that work a lot, work very hard for their money, and free time with family and friends is really valuable. And that's, tell us about that?
Well, I agree. And also, trying to dig out all the little places that one might go and see, you'd never find it on your own. Not in the small towns, and many of the wineries we went to, we would never found them, even if we had their address. They were so buried. And in the city, again, your guidance has been just fantastic.
Good. Well, I appreciate that. Spain gets over 40 million tourists a year. Most of those are Europeans, and the fact is there's a lot of great stuff, but there's also a lot of tourist traps. So you do really need to know where you're going. Otherwise, you might, and if you're a foodie like me and most of our customers, you don't want to waste meals on mediocre food and mediocre experiences, because life's too short.
We've had a great time. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, Ron. Okay, so that's all for now. So if we can help you go beyond the guidebooks, get in touch ASAP, because I can only take one trip a week, and we're highly booked this year in 2011, but a few spaces are open. Talk to you later.